Next continent on our cat cruise? South America. The spot where our spotters are spotting, spots. The jaguar is South America's biggest cat. Only his roar sounds more like he's got a bad cold. Want a cough drop, Jackie? The jaguar is not the only cat in this jungle. Meet the ocelot. He's sporting spots too. They help him blend in with the shadowy forest light. Like all cats, the ocelot's got great balance. He's as graceful as a cat. Cats seem so well coordinated, some people think they have 9 lives. Sorry, Kitty, the story isn't true. But cats do have an amazing ability to survive tricky situations. Check this out. A falling cat twists and turns its body so that it lands on its feet. Pause. Let's see that again. In fact, the longer the drop, the more time a cat has to straighten things out. Do not try this at home with your kitty. Remember, cats have long memories. And last but not least is another spotted beast, the margay. Like other cats, the margay hunts mostly at night. With those special cat eyes, she can see in the dark up to 6 times better than you or I. And her sensitive whiskers help her move through the dense forest. When they brush against a tree or branch, she feels the movement of the whiskers on her face. Your cat's whiskers help her get around too. And those special eyes make the night look much brighter to her than it does to us. Like a wild cat, your cat likes to bop around at night. That's why sometimes when you're ready for bed, your kitty is ready for fun. Now, let's see, are there any fab felines we're forgetting? Whoa! Oh, yes, the cats of North America. There's the bobcat with its stubby tail. The slightly larger lynx, also of the tiny tail type. And the big guy, the cougar, also known as the puma, and the mountain lion, and the catamount. Confused? No wonder. Pick a name and stick with it. Here are Mother Cougar's new cubs, safe in their cave home or dead. Mom often moves her cubs from den to den, so hungry enemies won't find them. Their spotted baby coats help make them harder to see. Soon it's time for the cubs' first hunting lesson. And on the menu today, it's duck. The cubs carefully watch their mom's hunting technique. Good hair, Cougar. Mom Cougar may have missed this time, but before long she'll be hunting again for Cougar cub grub.
The Academy of Cat Etiquette teaches table manners to felines of every variety. Oh, cat etiquette rule number 1. It is always proper to play with your food. Whether you're a lounging lion or a cuddly kitty, you simply must yank it around before you chomp it down. Oh, that rhymes. This is doubly important if your meal is still alive. Now, to pose a perennial problem. Is it proper to pick your paws when poking out on porcupine? Meouch! Find out at the Academy of Cat Etiquette. Call today. Those without whiskers need not apply.
Just like the Cougar, Mum. Your cat finds a safe, sheltered place to have her kittens. Only her den might be your drawer. Better wash those socks. Mother cats care for their kittens until they're old enough to be adopted by someone like you. Then it's up to you to give them lots of love. So, now you've seen everything. Lions, leopards, cheetahs, and caracals in Africa. Tigers in India. Jaguars, ocelots, and margays in South America. Bobcats, lynxes, and cougars in North America. Just think. Everything wildcats do, your cat does too. Silently stalking prey, prowling the night, running, leaping, and climbing, daringly defending a territory, and devotedly caring for the kids. So you really don't need to travel far and wide to see all the coolest things about cats. All you have to do is look in your own backyard. The wild cat. Inside your own favorite feline friend.
Something's going on with the kitty. She's got a crazy look in her eyes. She stops what she's doing. What she got brewing? She's wild inside. Really wild inside. She's got the spirit of a tiger. She's wild inside. Stalking his prey around the corner, making his plan for attack. He leaps through the air as if something's there. Well, he's wild inside. Really wild inside. He's got the heart of a lion. He's wild inside. Well, hey, just this morning you were all curled up, cozy in a cute little ball. Up in a flash, you made a mad dash. You must have heard the wilderness call. Ooh, meow, baby. So cool as a rule, then you change like a wind. Your mind a short time and then you're gone again. You're a mystery, you're wild inside. Ooh, really wild inside. Here, kitty, kitty. Whoa, you're wild inside. You got the heart of a lion. You're wild inside.
Well, gang, it's been perfectly wild cruising the world of cool cats with you. But there are lots more really wild animals all across this wonderful world of ours. So be sure to join me on our next adventure. Until then, this is your pal Spin. Spin you later.